Hello dear Kunomailer. This is your new Kunomail. Some of you already wondered what's new at Kunomail. So here it is, our new Kunomail client. We optimized the known complaints: load without delay, delete emails, mark as read, drag and drop, opening and displaying the emails, and work fluently. We optimized the interface for better usability, so everyone can set up his Kunomail individually. So you can put this aside and also this one, so you can display your email in full view, and you can put it back to the other side. You see? In the background you can see a video playing, and if you want to see the video in full view, you can click here, and by clicking again you're back in the program. Or you can go to View and Show Background. So if you click now, the program is back. So you can go to Settings 2, and here's the window display. There is now the modern with 3 columns. You can also go to Kunomail Classic. So, and I will do that now. And close Kunomail. And as you can see, we have now the Kunomail Classic overview. So, like in the other view, you can click here and see the video. And by clicking again, you're back in the email client. So you can go to Settings again and go to the window display and change it to extra large display. So I will do that now, and we'll show it again by closing Kunomail. So, and now you can see the extra large display. So we have big icons, big texts, and we can also zoom the emails here with plus and zoom out with minus, so that you can all read everything. And you can also click here for the video. So we're happy that you're tuning in, and we love to show you new details about the new Kunomail soon. So thanks for watching and have a nice day, your Kunomail team.